when I broke my hand, which is crucial for sign language, I knew I really needed a good doctor. So I asked my friend who is in the medical field, and they said Dr. Justin Barrett. So I met Dr. Barrett and had a great experience. He took care of my hand really well, and I can use my hand again, which is perfect.
Unfortunately, Rebecca sustained a ground level fall and broke her index, middle, and ring finger, sustaining devastating fractures of her fingers right next to the joint. And it's bad enough injury when you have it in your hand, but it's even worse when someone is American Sign Language, and that's their primary mode of communication. So we were able to take her to the operating room, and we were able to span the fracture and actually put a plate around the fracture because the fracture pieces were so small that we couldn't put plates and screws into the actual fragments to stabilize and kind of rebuild her fingers and her joint. We were able to then remove those plates, and after several surgeries, remove scar tissue and allow her to get back to communicating and using her hand.
So I first met Rebecca in June of 2022. With the 3 fractures, she had just extraordinary difficulty communicating our first few visits. So it was pretty obvious from the get-go that we had a challenge ahead of us.
Yes, Northeast Georgia Health System did a great job. You guys are the champs. I would refer anybody to come to Dr. Barrett, to see Dr. Carly, to go to the therapy where I went. You guys were the best, really the top.